Hello and welcome back to FPL Experts. So the long international break is now over and we're heading back into Fantasy Premier League into the Game Week 9. So let's get our team ready for Game Week 9. But first let's do the team review of Game Week 8. So this is how my team lined up in Game Week 8. Harry Kane was my captain and he got 18 points. Bamford scored a goal and he got 7 points. Talking about midfielders, Grealish secured an assist and he got 6 points, and Salah scored a goal and he got 9 points. In terms of my defense, only Justin got 6 points as he got a clean sheet. So this is how my team lined up, and these are my final points, that are 56, average was 55 and highest of 133. In terms of my rank, I got a decrease in this game week, but I'll be looking forward for an increase in the rank in game week 9. So now let's look at some of the potential picks for this game week. The premium striker is not a surprise and he is none other than Jamie Vardy. He is in form and has scored 8 goals so far in the Premier League. He also scored a hat-trick against Manchester City. Considering the injury issues of Liverpool's defense, Vardy is highly likely to score against them. Next up, we've got a budget striker and it's Che Adams. Talking about him, he has scored 3 goals so far with 2 assists. With the injury to Danny Ings, Adams has taken charge, and considering the red-hot form of Southampton, he qualifies for the budget striker for game week 9. Now let's talk about the midfielders. Talking about midfielders, first up we've got Bruno Fernandes. United has had a pretty seesaw season so far. Since his arrival till now, Fernandes has always been impactful for Man United in the midfield. He's netting in penalties, and when he's not doing that, he's assisting the forwards mostly. He's up against West Brom, and considering his form in the last game, he's likely to earn points and some good amount of points in this game week. Next up, we've got Diogo Jota. He has been a potential signing for Liverpool and has been excellent so far. Whether it is Premier League or Champions League, he's been impressive. He has 3 goals so far, and considering the illness to Mohamed Salah, he'll probably start and will score 2 if he continues his impressive form. So talking about the defenders, first up we've got a premium pick defender, Chilwell from Chelsea. Chelsea has had quite a turnaround of things in terms of their defense and clean sheets. With clean sheets in mind, Chilwell gives an option of registering assists and even scoring. He already has 2 goals and 2 assists in 5 games so far. Next up we've got Mings. Talking about him, he's a budget pick, and keeping in mind Villa's form in last game, they earned a clean sheet. Mings is good with headers and has scored 2 goals this season. His shot accuracy of 67% makes him a budget pick for this game week. Talking about the goalkeepers, we will stick with Martinez this week. Martinez comes at a price of 4.8 million. Talking about him, the key factors are Aston Villa has good long-term fixtures and they have a better chance of bringing in some clean sheets. Now let's shed some light upon the captaincy picks for this game week. So the 3 captaincy picks are Harry Kane, Jack Grealish and Jamie Vardy for this week. Talking about Kane first, he's been scoring or assisting in every game he's featured in, so he's the first choice for captaincy. The key stats are 7 goals and 8 assists, 38 shots taken and 39% were on target. Next is Jack Grealish. Grealish has been quite impressive so far domestically and nationally both. He's performing quite well. He's taken 22 shots and 41% were on target. He scored 4 goals and assisted in 5. He's the second choice for captaincy. The third is Jamie Vardy. Keeping in mind the injury disasters to Liverpool back 4, Vardy qualifies for the third choice as captain. He has scored 8 goals and 16 shots with the accuracy of 75% on target. So that's it from our side. We'll be back with another video next week. Thank you for watching FPL Experts.